And syempre, Coach Angel, ano po masasabi niyo sa outcome ng final performance ng duo mo?
Sa performance nila kanina, masasabi ko lang na they really touched the hearts of the people who watched it. They were able to deliver the message, the emotion. So, yun pa lang, panalo na. Panalo na naibigay nila yung pakiramdam that we want to feel. Because it's important for dance na may ma-feel ka.
Iba rin sa feeling eh. Parang yung
Actually,
kasanayan
sobrang
natin,
saya.
nag-i-engage yung muscles namin
Yeah,
habang
yeah.
sumasayaw. For interpretative, as in very
Smooth lang.
Dapat flowing.
Flow.
buo.
Kasi yung mga
Sobrang
nakaraang
buo dapat.
episodes, di ba?
Sobrang
bakbakan
ending.
Masugod lahat eh. So, atong episode na to sobrang layo na.
Well, ang galing kasi it was successful.
Yes.
Dama rin
Maraming
namin
na-touch.
kayo dito backstage.
Thank you.
Congratulations,
Thank you
guys.
so much.
Coach, congrats.
Thank you.
Coach, thank you,
Lexie.
Coach.
Well,
Kita-kits sa Tige Bro.
Yes,
Yes,
bro.
Final duo na kayo.
we hope.
Dance off mamaya.
Sila na yung sa next duo. May
Oh,
tayo na to
kayo
eh.
next time.
Wildcard na duo.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you,
Thank you.
thank you,
Thank
thank
you.
you.
At Coach, congrats.
Congrats.
Thank you.